In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AWS ECR repository in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to AWS or a seasoned user, setting up an Amazon Elastic Container Registry or ECR is crucial for managing your Docker container images. So, let's dive right in and get started with this process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the AWS website. It's always a good idea to have your login credentials handy, so you can smoothly log into your account without any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the AWS Management Console. This is your central hub where you can access various AWS services and manage your resources. The next step is to navigate to the Amazon ECR service within the console. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in ECR and select the service from the drop-down list. Now, this is an essential step, as it will take you to the dedicated interface for managing container registries within AWS. Once you're in the ECR section, you need to select the AWS region where you want to create your repository. You'll find a drop-down menu in the upper right corner of the console that lists all available regions. Select the one that best suits your needs or your preferred region where you usually deploy your services. Now we're getting closer to actual creation. Look at the navigation pane on the left side of your screen and click on Repositories. This will direct you to a page where you can view all repository-related tasks. Here, you'll see a Create Repository button prominently displayed. Clicking this button initiates the creation process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the visibility settings for your repository. You have two options here, private or public. By default, repositories are set to private, which is suitable for most use cases, especially if you want to keep your container images secure and accessible only to specific users. Choosing the right visibility setting is important, as it will determine who can access your repository data. After deciding on the visibility, the next field is the repository name. Make sure to enter a unique name for your repository. This name will help you easily identify it among other resources you might have on AWS. Finally, once you've filled out all the required fields, it's time to bring your repository to life by clicking the Create Repository button at the bottom. This action will finalize the creation process. Congratulations, you've just set up your new AWS ECR repository. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create an AWS ECR repository. Feel free to explore more on how to push and manage your Docker images within ECR. And remember, AWS documentation is a great resource if you need additional tips or tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.